kids! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw something super fun. A playground with a slide and swings. Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start with our black marker. First, we draw a horizontal bar at the top. Now, let's draw two stands on both sides to hold the bar. Next, we draw two swing cradles hanging down from the top bar. Nice! Now, let's draw two more tall pillars on the side for the slider.
La da 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 dee.
Then we draw the sliding part going down. Whee! That looks fun! Next, let's add the ladder so kids can climb up to the slide. And finally, let's draw a triangle roof on the top to complete our playground. Nice job, everyone! Our playground drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp so the artwork really pops. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Look, I have my color pens ready. Today we will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color.
La 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 la.
Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Awesome! Our colorful playground is ready. Great job, everyone! You did amazing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings. Bye-bye, friends! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.